If you're experiencing the Fortnite Matchmaking error 2025, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game quickly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Fortnite status page to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Fortnite completely and restart it. This can help reset any temporary glitches that might be causing the matchmaking error. Step 3. Verify your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services to confirm that your connection is working properly. Step 4. Update your game. Make sure that Fortnite is updated to the latest version. Check for updates in your game launcher and install any available patches, as outdated versions can lead to matchmaking errors. Step 5. Reinstall Fortnite. If the error persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Fortnite. This can resolve any corrupted files that might be causing the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the matchmaking error and get back to playing Fortnite. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Epic Games support for further assistance.